What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of J&B Tuning. Today we are going to just work around the garage here. As you guys can see, we got our Golf R up here and our Honda Civic Si on the bottom. It's been a while since I actually been working on these cars. They've been sitting here all winter long. As you guys know it, I don't drive these cars, especially the Golf R. I don't drive it in the winter time, so it's always up there. So I haven't really started the car up or did anything with it, but I wanted to do something on the exhaust system today, and I'm going to show you guys what that is exactly. The Honda Civic Si, I haven't seen underneath the car since we have been driving it over the winter time. So I drive this daily, but just twice or three times a week, that is, anyways. So anyways, guys, stay tuned. I will be working on the cars here today. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Stay tuned. Notice when you look at the tip of the Golf R, you could literally see the inner piping, which I really hate because it doesn't give you the illusion of how big the tip is. So you know what I did, guys, is that cleaned it up, the inner pipe that is, and made it slightly darker by using a marker here, permanent marker, and kind of gave it a darker shade a little bit. And now it's slightly darker now compared to that would be. Yeah, it's slightly darker from far. That is, like, as you guys can see, if you go this far, then it looks like it's one pipe all the way through versus that right there. So anyways, I'm gonna try to keep making it darker and see, because it's metal, it's not as dark, but I might just use a paint at some point and probably take the tip off and paint it black, so that way it's a little bit kind of hidden there. I truly don't like it when it doesn't give you the illusion that whole outer diameter is the actual opening there. So anyways, let me work on that. So I'll show you the half and half difference on the pipe that is painted versus not painted. As you guys can see, yeah, quite a difference, guys. It's definitely making a difference there. Well, here's the after look, guys. Much better, literally much better. Definitely quite darker in there now. You can't really see where that tip was just mounted in there. From this distance, it'd be nice. It's almost like a through and through one pipe all the way through, so you guys can see. Neat. Ladies and gentlemen, we got the Civic up in the lift here. We got the Si, and just wanted to inspect the car here briefly throughout the winter. As you guys have seen, I've driven this car, and it's undercoated with fluid film. I just wanted to see how the fluid film is doing in this regard. So far, so good. We have scrubbed up most of the rust before the winter, and it's looking good so far here, guys. The car has an undercoating, so I didn't apply a complete fluid film, only the one that are exposed on the rocker panels, pinch welds, sort of thing. And so far, fluid film is holding up okay in this regard. It's coated nicely here. Yeah, the back there looking good as well here too. No, the SI is doing pretty nice, guys. The float film is really doing a good job in the process. And if you guys remember, if you've seen the video beforehand, we had a oil leak going on here because of that the plate for the tensioner, timing chain tensioner, that's already been worked on. And as you guys can see, we fixed this area here the proper way. That is, if you guys haven't seen the video yet, I had the video and the proper way to truly fix that leakage, because that's a known issue, prone issue for the K24s and K20s cars. The plates at some point do start to leak, but in this case, you know, the proper way to do it is really clean it nicely, prep it up pretty good, and have plenty of room in that area, because technically, if you don't remove the pulley, it's almost like 50% chance that you know, you don't have it sitting properly, or you know, install it properly, because of that pulley is on the way, and to get the topper bolt. If you didn't do that, there's a chance that it's gonna leak, so might as well do it the proper way since you're already there. Anyways, guys, pretty cool. As you guys can see, car is looking nice and solid. I haven't done much on the car. I have a few things to do, as I kept saying, the headlamp there definitely needs to be replaced, and yeah, we'll go from there. Stay tuned.